Lightcycle. All right, let's see how this thing works. Ah! Ah. Okay. Ah.
Push forward on your bar. Push.
There you go. All right, here we go, everyone. The TRON Lightcycle.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence.
All right, here we go, everyone.
Hold on.
We gotta hold on like this.
And face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Oh, you can see the tires and the brakes.